You always have a preconceived notion in your head, a bride and groom does what they want their honeymoon to be. So until I talk to them, whether on the phone, via Facebook or whatever, I could say, oh, I would send you to Sandals in St. Lucia based on the commission I would get on that. But you may not like Sandals in St. Lucia. Most people tend to do things that their friends have done and go places their friends have gone, but that may not necessarily be a good vacation for you and you may get there and be miserable. So pairing your personality, things you like to do, with vacations that work for that. People book on the internet and they hit a book now button and they have a customer service thing, but every time you call that customer service, you talk to a different person. And you could get to Abu Dhabi to this awesome Airbnb that you booked and it not even actually exist. So then you're in Abu Dhabi, a place you don't know anything about and you don't know anybody. What do? Who do you call? Because you can't call a book now button.